Hello everyone. Today I am sharing with you a silly topic. I know all who are watching my video, they all know that, but I am sharing this topic for those they are not know how to create a new folder. Seriously, I'm sure you are laughing, but it's not as silly. Today I am share with you how to how to create a new folder. So please follow my steps. Okay, first of all, when we are open our PC, then we see this desktop. So if I want to open this account or anything anywhere, so right click on your mouse, press right click on your mouse. Okay, so in this section you can see that a new option. So in new option, when your mouse cursor is there, you can saw that folder option. There are lots of options here, but you can saw a folder option, so click on it. Okay, let's create a new folder. So you can change, you can rename it. Okay, rename it. So there's a new folder. So now you can put your image or videos or something, your files in there. Okay, so now we are creating a folder. So if you want to rename it, okay, this folder name is now this name is rename, but if you want to rename it, okay, what can you do? Okay, let's same type, same again, click right button on your cursor. Please put the cursor in this folder, on this folder, and right button, and you can saw a rename option. Otherwise click on it and press F2 in your keyboard. You saw F2 button, so press F2, then the rename option is here, so you can rename it again. Okay, so it's a very silly topic, but some people want to hesitate to let it know, so that's why I am sharing with all of you. Please, if you want to love this video, let's subscribe, and lots of learning video are sharing in my channel. So please subscribe my channel and click bell button. Thank you. Thanks a lot.